CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5, Compare and Contrast Storage Types. Volatile versus non-volatile. Storage volatility refers to the degree to which stored data will remain accessible over a given period of time. In general, storage volatility can be categorized into two main types: volatile storage and non-volatile storage. Volatile storage refers to a type of storage that requires a continuous power supply to retain data. Random access memory (RAM) is the most common example of volatile storage. When the power is cut off or the system is turned off, the data stored in volatile storage is lost. This is your temporary storage option. Non-volatile storage, on the other hand, refers to a type of storage that retains data even when power is lost or the system is turned off. Examples of non-volatile storage include hard disk drives, solid-state drives, optical disks, and flash drives. This is your more permanent storage option. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.